Here are the installation steps for the Easty EMT-B.Pro rotary hip press. Please have qualified technicians install it under proper guidance. After removing the wooden crate and packaging, use a forklift to place the machine on level ground. Next, tighten the four supporting legs. This is crucial for the machine's operation and can affect its accuracy. Once adjusted, we can begin installing the worktable. First, set up part number 1 by securing the 4 side brackets on both sides with screws. Set up part number 2 in the same manner by tightening the screws. Next, set up part number 3 by securing the middle connecting rod at the bottom on both sides with screws. Then move on to set up part number 4, where the second connecting rod also needs to be secured to the side bracket and tightened with screws. After that, set up part number 5 by connecting the upper connecting frame. For part number 6, also connect the second upper connecting frame in the same way. Next, set up part number 7 by removing the bearings on both sides, then install and secure the rotating shaft. After that, set up part number 8 by installing the S-shaped paper tension shaft and connecting it to the reducer. Proceed to set up part number 9 by placing the air expansion shaft in the middle holder for paper collection. Set up part number 10 and 11 for paper and fabric feeding roller. The installation is finished.